Hey guys, just in case you wanted to revise some bits of ANSYS for the stuff in January, or you still need to do your project, I thought I'd just take you through a few bits because I encountered some problems and some stuff was not immediately obvious. So you open up your project and workbench. It should look something like this if you've got the student version on your computer. You've got a number of different analysis tools here. We're just going to use static structural. Static structural is definitely the analysis we need to do for the crank, and I assume also will be in the exam. One of the first things you might want to do is change the material. I think it defaults to structural steel, and the material in the crank is aluminium for the one that we need to test initially. So I'm just going to double click that little icon there. That's the engineering data. It'll open up a tab here in your workbench program. Now this is the stuff that it's just got structural steel there, as you can see. So if you click on engineering data sources, it's just underneath a little tab there. You can click on general materials, and you have this kind of menu here come up. So yeah, we want the aluminium alloy. That's there. We'll just click the little plus button there. That adds it to our library. You can see there the little book, and that'll mean we can use that in our project. Then we need to import the geometry. I'm having some issues with my video recording software, so you can't see my my sort of right-click menu. But if you just right-click geometry, you'll have an option to import geometry, and you can kind of browse into your downloads if you saved it there, or your documents, wherever you saved the initial file that he's given us. The file that we've been provided is a .ipt file. I have not found a way to open those in Workbench with the version of Workbench and Inventor that you can download the student versions. So what I've done instead is I've just gone into Inventor and exported that file as a CAD file, and that's in step format or .stp, and that'll allow you to kind of play around with that in ANSYS. And then once you've done those two things, you're prepped, you're ready to go, you can double click model, and that'll give you a whole load of options which I'll go through in the next video. Okay.